Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just filmed a review on the new Revlon Colorstay brow pencil. So I don't know if that's going to be up before or after this video, but I'm here to do a battle of the mascaras. That's what I'm here to do. So I have two mascaras, both burgundy. Well, one is called Black Cherry. The other one is called Deep Burgundy. We are going to see which one's better. That's about it. I've not opened either of them. So first we have the L'Oreal. This is the Voluminous Original Deep Burgundy Mascara. This has been out for a little bit. I haven't opened it. I have kept it aside. Then we have the new Maybelline. This is the Snapscara in 320 Black Cherry. So we are going to do a battle of the mascaras and see which one's better, which one's worth your money, and is the burgundy color really burgundy? I did do a light curl of both sides of my lashes before we started this video. So the Voluminous Original gives you 5-time fuller lashes for volume building, separates and builds lashes. So that's what we have to know about that. The volume maximizing brush quickly thickens and builds lashes evenly for full and dramatic look. This is formulated with panthenol and ceramides, which are great for the eyelashes, which actually help condition and grow the lashes. So the Maybelline Snapscara in Black Cherry, this is easy on, easy off mascara. On in a snap, off in a snap. This is their first, I read this is their first wax-free formula. So all the other mascaras they have do have wax in it. This one does not. It's supposed to give you a smooth, clump-free volume. So I didn't actually realize that this packaging is actually see-through. So this is the color of the mascara. It's not just like the packaging color. So that is very interesting. When comparing both of them on my hand, they kind of look the exact same except for the Snapscara is a little bit darker. So it might come off more black on the eye. So that's what we're going to test out to see. Okay, so first I am going to apply the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara in Deep Burgundy. So we're going to give this a go. We're going to see how this works. And look at the color. So this is the first coat. It's giving my lashes major length and fullness, and the color is burgundy. It matches my eyeshadow really, really nicely. I'm really liking it. I'm gonna go in with another coat. And then I'm gonna put some on the bottom lashes as well. I love this mascara. So the formula of the original Voluminous is absolutely amazing, #1. So even in black, this would be stunning, but this burgundy color it's amazing, especially with this eyeshadow I paired it with. It's just like unbelievable. If you have green eyes like myself or hazel, it's really gonna make the green stand out as well. Okay, so next we have the Maybelline Snapscara. I have high expectations for this because now that I've seen this, I just want this eye to be like this. So let's see what happens. This one, it looks more black to me, so. This is also going on beautiful. It's not clumpy. It is not messy like this side as well. I don't know. I'm really liking it. The color is a little bit less burgundy. It's a little bit more deep, but it isn't black looking. It does have that burgundy feel to it. So it looks good so far. Let's do another coat. Do the bottom lashes. Take me away from home. Show me all the places. Wow and wow. Like I love both. Both are amazing, and to be honest with you, looking at myself in the mirror, there is hardly a difference in color. This one is a little bit deeper. The Snapscara does run a bit deeper, but when I have them on side by side, you wouldn't be able to tell in person I have on two different mascaras. I feel like with the Voluminous, it just gives you these great voluminous lashes. I feel though like you can't kind of build it. So like once you kind of put on your 2 coats. It's basically, that's what's happening with your lashes. That's how they're staying. With this Snapscara, I don't know, it's the formula. It's wax free. It lets you build. So if you do want a little bit more of a dramatic lash, this one actually lets that happen, and it lets you build a mascara, and it makes it a little bit more dramatic. So I think that if you were deciding between the two, if you want more of a dramatic look, go with the Snapscara. If you want just more of like a pretty soft, voluminous look, go with the L'Oreal. But honestly, there's hardly a difference at all. The voluminous one dries down pretty much instantly. It is not wet at all. The Snapscara side is a little bit more tacky. It's still drying. It's a little bit more wet. So that also is a difference between the two. But honestly, they are both amazing. I'm going to leave down below in the description bar how this did remove, because it's supposed to just remove super easy. So I'll let you know about that. I will check in if I have any problems with smudging on the bottom lash line, but so far so good. Honestly, this smackdown, it just ended in a tie. I cannot tell you one is better than the other. Both easy to apply, both mess free. Loving both. Okay, so this will be the end of my review. I hope you guys did find it helpful. If you're looking for a burgundy kind of looking mascara at the drugstore, either of these are spectacular. So I really do hope you guys found this helpful. And if you did, as always, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.